Alright everybody, welcome to another Revit tutorial. I'm using Revit 2020 here, and my name is Zach Geisler. Today I'm going to be talking about visibility graphics. Visibility graphics is a very useful tool, and it can be very beneficial at times. So what I have here is a project I've been working on over a couple videos, and basically I've done a couple videos. I've shown how to make roofs, ceilings, and other things. And what I think could be very beneficial when trying to go through a project is to, let me just get rid of these other tabs, is to remove some things that you don't really need to see. Like right now, if I was going to work on some more of the interior and I want to see that, I wouldn't really want the roofs in the way. I really want to see them. And a good way to get rid of the roofs and unwanted things in your project you don't want to see is through visibility graphics. Again, like I said, this is just a basic model. I haven't put much time or effort into these. I've just done quick things just to get across my point. But anyway, if you look over here in your properties palette, you'll hear there's a couple lines down as visibility graphics. And I have mine bunched together like this, but you might have yours in a different spot, but it doesn't really matter. It's always the same. So if I look here, I click this edit button for visibility graphics. Click edit, and it comes with everything that you could ever imagine. It's here. It's got floors, furniture mount, generic models, lighting devices, lighting fixtures, blah blah blah, all a bunch of things. And so what I think might be useful for this example is to turn off roofs. And right now, I obviously have my roofs on, and if you were to unclick this, you could do that. Hit OK. I'll show you what that does. Look, it removed all my roofs. Okay, and all three of my little houses here. Now you could look inside and you could see, excuse me for that cough, I'm getting over a slight cold, but you could see what's inside there. But now, it's a little difficult to still see what's inside this building over here. So what I might want to do is remove my ceilings. So if you look over here, right here, took me a second to find it, is ceilings. Do the same thing, unclick, boom. That removes the ceilings. Now you can really see what's in there. One more example, I'll just do this. Let's see how this does. I've never done this one before, but we'll try furniture. We'll see if you have some furniture you don't want to see. You have some other options here you can do, but unclick furniture. Okay. Goodbye to all that stuff I just had in there. Now you just have your model again. This is great for presenting and for other things. But it's really easy and useful to use because it's right here, and it literally has, oops, excuse me, I pressed the wrong button. Hit this button right here, and it has everything you need. And if you just hit like R for roofs, it'll take you to R. Then you can see roofs unchecked. Check it back. So there's some other things you can do here. If you wanted to change a different line weight or a different line style or pattern or color, you could override that with whatever one you wanted here, which can be useful, but I haven't used it that much. If you wanted to make all your roof lines a different color, you can do that too. Any color in the book you could find there by doing that. And if you wanted a thicker weight of your line, you could do the same thing there. I'm not going to worry about any of that stuff right now. What could be cool is, let's try this. That was just going to make something absurd. Let's just make a green. You click, like I just did, in the foreground, under the fill patterns, under patterns, you hit green. And let's just see what this does. Hit OK. Hit OK again. It brings your roofs back. But what I think I did here is that the roofs are green, but I think if I just went back to my let's try wireframe. No, I don't want wireframe. Sorry, hidden line. Okay, and then let's just go back to realistic here, and let's try something a little different here. Let's go back to roofs. Roofs right there. You click that, and let's just make this green too, the same color green, and see if I can change the roof color to green. Oh, this is changing the line. Sorry, I totally clicked the wrong button here, but anyway, you kind of get the idea. You can do a lot of different things with this. You can change the colors, you can change the lines. I exhort you to try it out a little bit, see what happens. That's kind of what I do. I just try to figure out. As you can see here, I don't really know everything. I don't know what's going on. But if you were to just mess with this a little bit, you can clear the override just like that. Clear. Let's try just to try one more time. I'm gonna hit the override. I think it's on this side. If you want to do the cut, hit the green button again, and I'll just do it for both. Green. You know what I might want to do? I might just want to do a solid fill. That might be my issue right there. I think you have to hit solid fill and hit OK. Let's try that again. It didn't work either. Anyway, something I'm doing wrong here. But anyway, no big deal. Those are my roofs. That's really how you use this project. I mean, how you use this visibility graphics override. The main thing I use it for is removing things when I don't want to see them and bringing them back. You know, so that's how you do it. Sorry this video was a little scatterbrained to me trying to figure things out. But I'm not a professional in Revit by any means. I'm just trying to learn things just as you guys are. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and or at least the first half of the video. Anyway, I'll talk to you later. Have a good night.